So you have a piece of gasket and you want to cut a hole in it so you can shove something through it. Well, if you got yourself some pipe and you sharpen the edge, you can actually make yourself a gasket hole cutter like this. And you just press on it. There you go. That's all there is to it. So, piece of pipe, right size, file the edge, make yourself a top, and you're ready to go. All different size pieces of pipe work. I actually picked this up at a flea market, I think it was. And this is the piece right here for cleaning the gasket piece out. When you can't get it out, just shove it in the hole and it pushes the gasket out. There you go. Simple as that. Some pipe, sharpen the edge. Make your own gasket cutter.